If you want to turn on or turn off the camera timer on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to open the camera. Now we need to swipe down on the camera preview in order to open this panel, or you can also tap on this arrow at the top. Then you should be able to find the timer, which can be set to 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. And of course, if you want to disable, then simply choose this circle with the line across. Besides that, we can also use timed burst, which can also be adjusted in a more specific way. So for example, if you want to use a, let's say, I don't know, like 9-second timer, 7-second timer, then of course you can set up the interval to 7 seconds. Number of photos in this case doesn't matter, because with the timed burst enabled, if you take the photo, you still have the countdown, and at the top we have the number of photos taken. And after that countdown is done, of course, the next photo is taken until the whole number is done, until you take the selected number of photos. But as you can see, we can also just simply stop it at any point. So this can also be used for the timer. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.